Welcome to 1Place SQL Server Monitoring and Log Analytics Solutions. This can be installed in AWS, Azure, GCP and OCI public cloud environments as well as in on-premises environments. Step 1. Log in. Begin by logging into the application using your provided credentials. Step 2. Explore the navigation bar. Once logged in, you'll see a full list of functionalities in the navigation bar, including options like Dashboard. Click on Install Monitoring Stack. It will take you to next screen, where the installation will be in progress. If any of these softwares are already installed, then it will bypass the installation of specific product and will proceed to next one. Click on the Submit button. It will show the progress of installation. The logs will be appearing on right side. You can review the installation of those products by scrolling down. The product is installed. You can click on Summary button, which will give you a summary of the installation completed. It will show you version of the product installed, status and location where it is installed on the server. Now we can proceed to installation and configuration part of Windows Exporter. Please note, this should be configured on target machine. Step 1. Download and install the Windows Exporter on Windows. Step 2. Open the PowerShell as administrator and run the commands to create and start the Windows Exporter service. Step 3. Configure the firewall for Windows Exporter and test the Windows Exporter web listener and port. Now the page displaying various metrics in plain text. Step 4. Integrate the Windows Exporter with Prometheus and set the targets. Step 5. Start the Prometheus service and check for the status as active running. Step 6. Open the browser and visit the Prometheus portal and navigate to Status Targets to check the status of Windows Exporter is up and running. Now we can see the steps to configure SQL Server data source in Grafana portal. Log in with your provided credentials. In the Grafana sidebar, open the Configuration menu and select Data Sources. Click on Add Data Source *, then choose SQL Server from the list of available data sources. To add a new data connection, enter the required information such as name, host, and database, then click on Save and Test to confirm the connection to your SQL Server database. A success message will appear if the data source is correctly connected. Now, we can see how to configure Windows Exporter through Prometheus Grafana. In the Grafana sidebar, open the Configuration menu. Click on Data Sources. Click the Add Data Source button Prometheus. In the URL field, enter http://localhost, or the relevant address where Prometheus is running. Click Save and Test to confirm the connection. In Grafana, navigate to Dashboard, select New, upload the JSON file and click Import. This will open the interactive dashboard, where you can customize and visualize data to suit your specific requirements. Let's go through the process of setting up FileBeat and MetricBeat for SQL Server Monitoring in ELK Stack. Step 1. Begin by extracting the FileBeat binary files into the Program Files directory on the target host. Step 2. To install FileBeat, run the script in PowerShell on the target host, then start the FileBeat service. Step 3. Extract the MetricBeat binary files into the same program files directory on the target host. Go to Services and search for MetricBeat and start the MetricBeat services. Step 5. Open the FileBeat.iml configuration file and configure it to connect with your Elasticsearch and Kibana instances. Similarly, edit the metricbeat.iml file to integrate it with Elasticsearch and Kibana, ensuring MetricBeat data is properly collected. Enable the MS-SQL module in the Modules D directory for both FileBeat and MetricBeat to collect SQL Server specific metrics. With those configurations in place, log in to the Elasticsearch web interface with the provided credentials. Step 6. Go to the Discovery section, where you can view FileBeat and MetricBeat metrics streaming into Elasticsearch. Step 7. Next, navigate to the Dashboards section to access the MS-SQL Performance and Transaction Log dashboards. These provide valuable insights into SQL Server performance. Finally, visit the Logs section to access the log stream. Here, you can view live SQL Server error logs as they're generated. By following these steps, you now have a powerful system in one place to monitor SQL Server performance, access transaction insights, and review real-time logs with ease. We hope this guide helps you make the most of your SQL Server monitoring experience. If you can use our product for a trial of 7 days. For any assistance, please contact us. Thank you for watching how to install and configure 1Place monitoring system.